no reason to hurry. When your patience is finally in full bloom, then you will be ready for anything, strong in character. James chapter 1 verse 4. This is a high-strung, neurotic, impatient age. We hurt you when there is no reason to hurry, just to be hurrying. This fast-paced age has produced more problems and less morality than previous generations, and it has given all of us jangled nerves. Impatience has produced a new crop of broken homes, or more new ulcers, and has set the stage for more world wars. Prayer for the day. May my heart be still amid all the turmoil, as I remember your patience with me, Lord Jesus.